Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Star Airdrop full guide tutorial on how to mine this Star Airdrop. This is a new project backed by Major Star. We all know Major Star. Major Star really gave some people enough cash this season, and some did not still benefit. So in this Star Airdrop, if you did not benefit on the major airdrop, it's time for you to take this one serious. It may favor you. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And also join my WhatsApp group where I share daily combos. To my wonderful subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you're here to join this airdrop, I'll drop the link in the description of this video. Use that link and join. Now, there is a campaign going on. This star campaign going on. You are going to win $100,000. And the time remaining is 17 days for this project, for this giveaway to finish. So if you complete these tasks, you will now be able to participate in the stars giveaway. And the first task is to connect your wallet. It's important. Any airdrop you are doing, the first thing that you are supposed to do is to connect your wallet. Then you support store. This one is done transaction. You can choose to do it or you leave it. Then the third one is to invite friends and to join stars community. Just if you can participate on this campaign, you never can tell. Yes, if you can participate on it, you still have time to do it. This is not the only way to farm this airdrop. Now let's click on this session and click on the session and okay, here we have so many tasks to perform. These are the main one. We have to airdrop measure. This airdrop measure, I've already done it, but let me show you what to do. This airdrop measure, what you're supposed to do, if you still have your major airdrop, be it on Bybit or any exchange or Telegram wallet, just screenshot it and paste on this place. Then it will verify. Once, okay, mine is still on review. Once it's verified finish, we are going to win 10,000 stars. This is huge. So if you still have your major allocation, you can participate on that one. Then you follow them on their account, S account, and join the community. So do the tasks the ones you can do. Do the ones you can do. Join their community. Okay, let me join the community. Okay, let me claim community. Powered by Tom. So do the tasks you can do. These ones are their partners. These one are their partners. The duck, the whatever, what is this one? The cat, the play dog, the stars times OKS. So all these people are their partners. Their major partner is the major airdrop and the OKS. This is the airdrop backing these stars. So do not play with this airdrop. Now, okay, click on this your profile. Click on your profile. You see, the good thing about this airdrop is all these things will matter. You see, don't just play with it. Here you can put in your age, choose your gender, your country, my beloved country, your rank will show here, the stars will show here, everything that you have done on this project, you will see it here. So this is an excellent project. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now click onto the stars. Click to the stars. Click on this. You see, people are already making money for themselves. People are already making money from themselves. Some people are not farming airdrop. What they are waiting for is to use their money to get the airdrop. So it's a two-way traffic. It's either you farm or you use your money to get a huge allocation. It's now left for you. People are really making money. 9 billion, 9 million, People are making money. So that is it. Don't joke with this airdrop. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.